She tell me she done. I credit alone done. She tell me she done. I credit alone done. She tell me she done. I credit alone done. She tell.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone. Rice here today. Almost done. You guys see how Rita go to Dhal today. I also got half of muscovy duck here.
What is muscovy?
I already cleaned it and it's ready for cooking. And Rita got some krekete here or snail. This is already clean. This is in the process of getting clean. So I will show you guys how we cook that today.
It's a lot of work.
Dhal is chunky already, see? Dhal is ready to go. I was so busy goating this dhal, I forget to show how many chunky the dhal.
Look real nice. I'm gonna drink a cup now.
And drink a cup? Alright. Go ahead.
Sure.
So yes guys, after cleaning this duck here, take some time, right? I make sure I get out all the fat and all the skin. Skinless and fatless. See how it looks? It's half of a duck. Everybody here don't eat the duck. I just I eat it by myself. I'm gonna eat it and then Rita is gonna kiss me. That's how she's gonna get some. Ingredient here. I'm gonna go ahead put in the onion and pepper for this duck here. I don't wanna make the oil too hot, but it's warm enough for what I need.
We got some masala, some turmeric, some green seasoning, garlic, curry powder.
Alright, teamwork.
Add in a little bit of water so you can chunky your masala. That's some nice original dash, red chili powder, just a little pinch, some black pepper. Along we didn't put argin in the food. Let's try some of that.
Alright, so the duck, you need some good masala on the duck, right? So
yeah, duck you have to give a lot of masala.
so you're looking good
A
there.
lot of fine thyme. Spice.
Spice or cinnamon stick?
Yeah. And some cilantro. Okay, big uncle?
You going into the duck now?
Yeah.
It's ready for the duck? Alright. So yes guys, it's not a lot of duck, it's about half of a duck. The last time I cooked we had a half. So we got half remaining. Like I was saying, I'm the only one who is eating this. I'm gonna try to convince Ethan to give it a try today.
Only if you put potato, maybe you try it. So we're gonna put some potato.
I'll put some potato and give it some gravy. Jenna might eat the gravy and Ethan might eat the gravy. So
yeah, they need to try to eat duck.
if not, more for me. Alright, so while we got everything in here now, I'm gonna cover it up and let it bunge or steam out. And then we'll take it from there. So cover that up and let it go. So after about 5 minutes or so, steaming down here, losing its own water. Now we're gonna add some water to it and then let it boil, right?
Yeah. You gotta give duck a little
Yep, you gotta give it a decent amount of water
so you can boil.
so it can boil.
But it's a young duck anyway.
Yeah, duck normally take longer to boil than chicken, but that should be good.
We're gonna let this boil a little and later we're gonna add the potato.
Alright. So yes guys, we got the onion and pepper ready there. We're going into the curry powder, masala, garlic.
Oh, the goodness, my guy. Who loved this krekete?
Or snail.
Or snail. It's a bottom feeder. I guess it came from somebody.
Somebody rice field in Guyana.
Somebody rice field. Let's put it that way. Adding in a little bit all-purpose seasoning. Spice.
What else we got?
Red chili powder. I put some roasted jeera in.
You like your jeera, man.
Yeah. A little black pepper. That's it.
So all of that is ready. Now we're going in with the krekete, the main ingredient, or the snail. We got fine thyme.
And a lot of
cilantro. Alright, this is looking good. Maybe I'll give it a taste today. Let me see how it comes out. So now we got everything mixed in here. We're gonna let it bunge, as they say.
And don't worry about the time because how it looks. Once it's finished, I'm just gonna pick it out because the leaf already does the job.
The leaf already loose out. It's just the stem gonna remain at the end. You're not gonna eat the stem. I thought you eat the stem. That's why you put it there.
If you want me to eat it, I'll eat it. No worry.
Okay.
I'm gonna cover it a little bit. Butter.
You're gonna do cover it and add some water.
Yes, my day.
So this is the krekete after about 5 minutes or so. Looking good.
Yeah, real nice. The rice can proper cook, right? I put in some meat tenderizer. This helps it to soften it and it's real good. Soft, so it's not chewy. I'm adding some water. Some hot water. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of water so it's real boil. So how you guys spending your weekend? Happy weekend, guys.
This duck is about done here. See how it's coming out? We put in some potato here for Jenna. We just gotta boil down a little bit more.
Jenna says she wanted with the gravy though.
Yeah, but this is good. This is the krekete. It's almost there too.
Wow, my favorite.
Just gotta make it loose and single, and then it should be good to go.
Yeah.
Dinner will be served, right? Alrighty.
We get the one and only big brain here. Let's get into this. What you got here? Dhal and duck curry.
Yes.
Review.
10 out of 10.
Wow, everything a 10 out of 10 for you.
I got my duck, rice and dal, or dal and rice with duck curry here. So let me give it a taste here. Rika, like you give me a liver.
So just sani up with your hand.
Sani up with my spoon. Alright. Cheers. Excellent, excellent. Oh, you can say 10 out of 10, and then I got my pepper here. So I got the meat here. Give it a try. Excellent, nice and boiled. Boil all the way down to the bone.
Let's see.
It's loose. Good job, good job. Nice teamwork.
Okay guys, enjoy. Oh, who gave you a Corona? You went in my fridge?
Alright, cheers.
So yes, my guy, check it out. This is the snail or the krekete. That's what I'm having with a lot of dhal.
Enjoy.
Thank you guys. Enjoy.
She tell me she done. I credit alone done. She tell me she done. I credit alone done. She tell me she done. I credit alone done. She tell me she done. I know.
She run from a 80 wagon and gone with a 4-wheel van. Now all of the money done. She end up with a taxi man. She run from a 80 wagon and gone with a 4-wheel van. Now all of the money done. She end up with a taxi man.